Education that inspires, leadership that transforms. Welcome to Bicol University, the premier state university in the Bicol region, committed to scholarship, leadership, character, and service since 1969. Under the dynamic leadership of our ninth university president, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, BU is shaping a university for humanity, fostering productive scholarship, transformative leadership, and sustainable development. With a focus on innovation and industry-ready research, BU is paving the way for a brighter future. Bicol University has 16 colleges across its campuses. One of them is the College of Arts and Letters, which plays a vital role in shaping well-rounded thinkers and communicators. Established in 2004, Bicol brings together programs that hone creativity, critical analysis, and cultural awareness skills essential in any field. CAL offers 6 courses, which includes BPEA, Literature, Journalism, Communication, Broadcasting, and lastly, the ABEL.
You are probably wondering why I chose this program. I chose AD English language because ever since I was a child, I dreamed of becoming fluent in speaking English. It just sounds so good when you know how to speak in English, whether in public or just at home. My experience so far at Bicol University cannot be summed up in just one word. In my 2 years of stay here, I've had so many realizations that fuel my drive to continue achieve all my dreams in life. As a BUenyo, I've witnessed and participated in many activities and events inside the campus, such as the welcome party for freshies, Kalgayonan, and most popularly, the BU Hataw. It happened twice in my life, during my freshman and sophomore years. My overall experience has been fun and enjoyable, and I've made so many good memories that I will cherish forever. As a student, my topmost priority is to finish my study with flying colors. But before that, I know that there will be obstacles along the way. One thing I'm sure of is that I won't let my guard down. I'll keep moving forward, driven with perseverance and passion. With this, I can maintain a positive attitude in life and work toward becoming successful.
Bicol is the home of intelligent, brave, and talented BUenyos that fosters creativity, passion, and making meaningful contributions to the society. Bicol University upholds 4 fundamental pillars that guide its goals and contribute to the holistic growth of BUenyos.